I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Some kind of magic, you came into my life.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like shopping hauls and unboxings, this video is for you. Today we have two hauls, one from Sam's Club and one from Walmart. Then I have an unboxing. I decided that it was time to get some new plates, basically out with the old and in with the new. Then there is a small decluttering portion, or I'm just getting some kitchen items ready for Goodwill. So without further delay, let's get into it. We went to Sam's Club in search of our normal purchases. Ken loves to get the paper products there because they're reasonably priced and they last us a really long time. Of course, that doesn't stop us from spending an hour in the store just looking around and seeing what other items they have available. Ken likes to spend money, so there are things that are going in the cart that are simply impulse buys. I'm the budgeter, him not so much. But we did find so many things that caught our attention. I'll be showing you throughout this trip what we purchased. Also, you'll see Ken pointing his phone at the items in the cart. That's because Sam's Club has a way for you to scan and pay on your phone without having to stand in the lines. Once you've paid, it generates a code and you show the code at the door. They scan it along with 3 other items in the cart to make sure that they match up with the receipt, and then out you go. Super easy.
Is where I wanna lie. Just wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the heart on the motor. It's so much better off alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're on the road. I wouldn't doubt there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side. Never gonna let
Oh my goodness, it's crocheted. No, it's not. Hold on a minute. Yeah, it is. It's a crocheted Mickey.
We need a poop too.
That is cute.
that you only want me. That you only want me. If I could live all my life tonight, we're on the road. I wouldn't doubt there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side. Never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you
Okay, so as I mentioned before, Ken likes to get all of the paper products here that we use in the house. We always get our toilet tissue here because it's such a massive amount, and I think it's like $20, but it lasts us for months. So that's a really super good buy, because if you were to go get it in a different store, you'd pay a lot more than that more often. So anyway, we get our paper towels there as well. And these actually have lasted us usually 6 months or so, because we don't go through paper towels quite that quick. So here Ken is actually scanning the product, and when he's completed all of the items in the cart, then he will go ahead and purchase everything, and then we'll be out of the store. We also like to get paper plates here. We saw these and thought they were really pretty. We don't usually buy this particular one, but we saw them over there. I guess they were a pretty good price. I think they were like $10. But we use a lot of paper plates in the house so that we have less dishes to do, especially when it gets really, really messy in the kitchen. These chicken fajita strips are absolutely delicious, and I highly recommend them, especially if you're trying to watch your weight. I have gone through both packages already, but they are so easy to put in the air fryer and make, and they go great on salads. And then Ken, of course, likes to get his meat products here a lot of the time. He finds the best pot roasts here, and we will probably make a pot roast 2 or 3 times a year. But they're kind of highly priced, but they're a good quality. So we got our meat here, and he's pretty happy with it. So these are pre-made salads. I thought the price was great. I really like the salad. Ken, not so much. I don't think he was a fan of a portion of it. I'm not sure what part he didn't really like, but anyway, it comes with a really good salad dressing. However, I did not eat the salad dressing. I just used my regular balsamic vinaigrette and oil, and it was still delicious.
Maybe we'll get there. Maybe we'll get there. Maybe we'll get there. Maybe we'll get there. You had your reasons and I sure had mine too, but I can't picture me without you. I know it sounds a bit cliche, yeah it does, but there's no other people like us. 'Cause we don't talk that much and we don't share a lot, even though there's nothing in it lasting lately. Maybe we'll get there. I know you think of me 'cause I've been thinking about you.
So I'd found these plates on Google originally, and it gave a bunch of different places online to purchase them. However, because we have Amazon Prime, I decided to check Amazon for the same product, and they had it. These are the Gibson Elite Elementi 16-piece dinnerware set in the color aqua. Right now, this is the only color that they have in this style, but there are many other plate sets to choose from in the same price range with different color options. I purchased this set for just $47.59, and they are such good quality for that price. They're made of porcelain and have a glossy finish, and they're dishwasher safe. They have a floral pattern, which I found to be quite nice. My mother has sworn by Gibson brand for years, so I knew when I found these that they'd be a great product. I'll show you what they look like once I unbox them. This product is not endorsed or sponsored.
Maybe we'll get there. I know you think of me 'cause I've been thinking about you, even though we disagree on most things, baby. Maybe we'll get there. 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 Say something like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eyes so I can tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Every day is something new if I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now. How you move and what you do has made me so crazy about you now. Love, we can go
It's been so long since we've had new plates in our home. It will be so nice to see these in the cabinets, and I can't wait to start using them. I just love the look of this set, not just the style, but the color as well. I'll have the Amazon link in the description for you below.
My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high.
And now it's time to get rid of the old stuff. Most of these items were hand-me-downs from my mom when she bought her new plate set last year. Ken is having me keep the larger plates that she gave us because he likes the patterns, so I'll be donating the square plates and all of the other bowls. This will give us so much more room in the cabinet. Once I'm done here, I'll be loading them up with some other Goodwill stuff, and then I'll go drop them off.
I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong. Hoping I'll be fine. But I get up.
So Ken and I went to Walmart today to get some things, and I saw these items over there that I just needed to get. So this is actually the size down from what I had been wearing, and this fits just fine. So that's proof that I am definitely losing some weight, some inches at least. And it looked like a really soft knitted sweater, so I tried it on, and it feels really nice. Anyway, it's the Terra Sky, and it was $22.98. It's beautiful. And then I found this one that was on sale. This is a 3X, but I went with the 3X because first of all, it was the only one there. And it's kind of narrow because of this ribbing here. And I know how knits will fit when you have a certain type of stitching. So this will stretch a little bit, but because of the type of yarn that it is, I wanted to go ahead and grab this because I know that width-wise it will definitely fit me, but it'll also be somewhat frumpy, and I'll be able to wear it for a while. Also, the arms are long enough and it won't come up on off my wrists, which really drives me crazy. And it has a really pretty little cuff neck here. Again, that is also the Terra Sky, and it was on sale for, actually it was $11 is what I paid for it. So it's really cute. Back away so you can see it. I got stuff on my bed over here that I need to put away that I took out of the side room today. Anyway, that, and then this sweater. It's hard to do this with one hand, y'all. Let me see if I can. It's okay. It's inside out that way. So it's very, this is very pretty. They had similar to this color in the sweater. They come with pockets on both sides, and I am going to learn. I'm gonna figure out how to make these because I want to learn how, so I can have different styles and colors and things like that whenever I want them. Although I will say that if I make it myself, it'll be a lot more expensive to make it because the yarn is so expensive. But anyway, it's just a basic cardigan. It has nothing to close it up with. It just kind of, it's a coverlet. And It's a beautiful blue. So I tried it on. If it's great, it's actually too big on me. And like I said, it's a 2X. So I'm very happy. And then finally, these are the shelves that we purchased from Walmart for when we did the side room makeover. We bought one in black and one in silver, and here they are in use. They're made with a really strong metal that holds quite a bit of weight. The metal has a bit of a shine to it, especially the silver one. We chose the 4-tier shelves instead of the 5, and they were $60 each. They've been a huge help to us out in this room. I am so happy and blessed that we were able to go get these when we did. Anyway, that's it for the shopping hauls. Well guys, thanks for being here today and watching this little video that I put up for the midweek. I'm actually outside right now in the backyard because Ken is watching sports, and he gets super passionate about his sports, and it's not exactly quiet in there, so I'm just out here in the nice cold air because, you know, I might as well take advantage of it. It's going to be gone before I know it. Anyway, you guys, if you have any questions about the products that I have in here today, go ahead and let me know below. I'm going to have everything in the description. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a like. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I got a bunch more stuff coming in the next several months. So anyway, I love you guys very much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.